Meaning of forsythia.
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 Forsythia. Forsythia is a genus of flowering plants in the olive family, primarily native to East Asia. The genus is named after William Forsyth, a Scottish botanist who was director of the Royal Horticultural Society. The plants are deciduous and produce bright yellow flowers in early spring. They are popular ornamental plants in gardens and parks due to their attractive appearance and hardiness. Forsythias are also used in traditional Chinese medicine for their medicinal properties, which include treating inflammation, fever, and various infections. Overall, forsythia represents a valuable combination of aesthetic and practical benefits.